This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. This is the disassembly of a Turner Expander 400 handheld microphone. This just came from an eBay auction and completely disassembled it, giving it a service, some corrosion, and this is already partially cleaned. But let me just go ahead and show you that's what this video is for, so you can actually see the internals. Everything literally comes apart. This is the main frame that holds the cartridge case. There are 4 teeny screws, and this literally just sits right into the front frame. The frame fits into the front panel, let's say, of the microphone, and then you could see there are 4 small screw holes, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top, and they're pretty long screws. There they are. Here is the plate, very, very delicate plate for the slide control for the volume, which is right here. Here is the back panel that when you unscrew this right from here, this panel comes off the back and it holds so you could access the battery. And I believe that this microphone takes a 7-volt battery. But anyway, now the main board has some foiled cardboard. So I'm going to be very gentle with this so you can see this is the back of it. There are 3 screws that hold the back frame onto the back. So these 2 frames, the front frame and the back frame, get held on with 3 screws, so you could just basically see how this body goes together. Okay, 1, 2, and 1 on the bottom, and those are the 3 screws on top, which are right there. The board then has a single short screw that goes right in the middle, which is this screw. Let me show you the actual board so you could see the components. If I could, there you go. Turn this mic around a little bit. Let me see if I can get in there and zoom in so you can actually see the... There you go. Okay. And then the ground actually solders to this foil cardboard. It's a 2-piece. The actual cartridge is in the whole, it's a housing, and this housing looks like it's factory 2-piece, so you could probably pry it apart. I'm not going to do that. I just used a toothbrush and I cleaned the dust out of the actual let's say the vents for the cartridge. The push to talk is right here, and the volume slide control wheel is right there. And I used what I usually always use, CRC Contact Electric Cleaner. You can get this at Walmart. Like I said, I already I mean, this is plastic, and there was some dirt on it, and I used CRC cleaner, the same cleaner to wipe, to dissolve the glue or whatever was on the bottom of it. You'll see some pictures before and after, and I, cleaned this with soap, toothbrush, and I also did the back plate. Now this back plate, I believe this is aluminum, and this was, you could see there's still some green corrosion. This was completely green, and all I used was a toothbrush and soap just to clean it. I already sprayed the two contacts generally from the back of the PTT right in here. I sprayed. You know, press to push to talk a couple of times, so you could see it actually working. And I moved the wheel after I sprayed in there too. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this. I guess this is a holder, a wraparound ribbon, kind of a cloth ribbon. And I'm just going to gently put this all back together. And then I'm probably going to grab a battery off of yeah, I'm not gonna bend down the cardboard on the back. Well, I guess I could. Hold on one second, so you can kind of see the PC board side of it. There you go. And that definitely says, what does that say? I can't. C41064, I believe. I just don't want to, it's very, very fragile. And it's hard to do it with the iPhone holding it. But anyway, so that's the Turner Expander 400. Hand microphone. They also make a noise canceling version of this mic. And this actually, there's a brass fitting that this actually slides right on for the push to talk. It's built pretty well, you know, and you could see from the years of sitting that the board, the actual main PC board, is actually bent just from the years of sitting in the mic. I don't think this mic was ever opened before. But anyway, that's basically it. Feel free to leave comments, and I don't think there is a Expander. I know a lot of people want to find the Expander 400. I don't know, you know, what it even sounds like. I haven't even tested it yet, or the audio quality, but it's somewhat rare, somewhat sought after, but they're available out there. You could find them. Just might take a little bit more time. And you could see that this, for all I know, this could be a 5-pin DIN hooked up for Radio Shack, and you could see that the cable has been cut several times. This should be at least 4 or 5 inches in length. I was thinking about replacing the cable. The cable is somewhat dried up, but it looks like it's a standard 6-colored microphone cable. Black, yellow, white, red. I believe there is a blue. Let me see. It's hard to see. I believe that's either blue or green, and then shield. So this is N2LEN saying best 7.3s with the Turner, best 73 with the Turner Expander 400 handheld microphone. Catch you later. This is N2LEN with another quick video clip. We just finished the servicing of the Turner Expander 400. To be honest with you, it's a very delicate mic to work on. You just got to be very, very careful when you take it apart with this front. The actual cartridge cabinet fits into the frame first in the assembly. Let me let you listen to what it sounds like when you key it up. That's basically it with the Turner Expander 400. Catch you later.